How to fix your iPhone when it keeps restarting? Force restart your iPhone. If your iPhone keeps restarting, do a force reboot. Most likely your device has encountered a glitch, and that's why you're experiencing this issue. Update your iPhone software. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Then tap on Software Update. Wait while your iPhone searches for available updates. If found any, tap on Download and Install. Check your battery health. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Then tap on Battery Health and check if your battery doesn't need service yet. If it needs service, take it to an Apple store to replace it. Check Analytics if any apps are causing your iPhone to restart. Open iPhone Settings. Go to Privacy Settings. At the bottom, tap on Analytics and Improvements. Tap on Analytics Data. Now, go through the data list and look for an app listed multiple times. Then, find the app on your iPhone. Tap and hold it while a menu pops up. Tap on Remove App and then on Delete App. Clean your iPhone storage. You can check the storage capacity by going to Settings. Then, go to General Settings. Tap on iPhone Storage. Here you can see how much storage space is occupied as well as delete apps you don't need anymore. More information on how to clean your iPhone storage is in the article, linked in the video description. Reset all settings. Go to the Settings app. Then go to General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset all settings. If asked, enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Check for external damage. If your iPhone has experienced a few crashes to the ground, the hardware might be seriously damaged. The damage done to the device can cause reboot loops. If other methods don't help and you see visible damage on your iPhone, take it to an authorized service to get it inspected. If constant restarting happens when the iPhone is charging, check if the lightning port is not dirty. If you see any debris, we don't recommend cleaning it yourself unless you know what you're doing, as you can easily damage the port. Take it to an authorized service or an Apple store. Reset to factory settings. This reset will delete everything on your device. Make sure to back up all important data. Go to the Settings app. Then go to General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Tap on Erase all content and settings. If asked, enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. After the reset, set up the iPhone and restore your data from the created backup. Thank you for watching.